Today I am sharing 15 sort of weird Amazon finds that at first glance seem strange, but are actually very useful. Everything's gonna be linked in the description below, and I'll pin them to the comments or they are at the QR code on the screen. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, number one is this contraption. This is called an anti-cellulite massager. I don't know about all of that. I got this more for lymphatic drainage, which is also is supposed to help with deep tissue massage and so on. So it has these rollers and you can really use this on your thighs, on your calves, around your bum. I've seen people use it on their like midsection, and it can even detach and be a little smaller, and then you can use it on your arms. So if you just need sort of like a deep tissue massage, maybe it helps with cellulite. Like I said, I haven't really tested that part of it out, but I love it for lymphatic drainage, just daily or after a workout. Number two is both gross yet satisfying. This is what I am calling a scalp detox comb. So the teeth of this are hollow. So when you are combing it through your hair, it's getting, dandruff, some oils and all that, and they're collecting in the teeth. So then you can, as you see in the video, push the button and that comes out. You're not just spreading it throughout your hair, it's actually retrieving it out of your scalp, collecting it in the comb, and then you can discard it and empty it out. So I just feel like it, obviously helps get your scalp good and clean, and maybe this is all in my head, no pun intended, but I feel like it extends the length of like my hair being cleaner too, probably again because I'm removing some of that gunk and not just spreading it throughout my hair. Okay, number three, I will admit, I don't know if it's really doing anything. I decided to try them out for peace of mind. So these are filters that you put on top of your ceiling fan blades. They are an activated coconut shell carbon filter, similar to a carbon filter that's inside a lot of air purifiers. And then the idea is as your ceiling fan is running, these filters are capturing, dander and chemicals and just mold spores and other things we don't want to be breathing in the air. It's capturing it while the ceiling fan is running. So it's sort of helping clean your air while you're cooling off in a room as well. Again, I don't know if they totally work, but I like the idea of them and decided to give them a try. Number four, I've shared before because it's my favorite way to clean shoes, but at first glance, they look weird. I think they look like little corn on the cobs. These are shoe cleaning bags. So they basically have these microfiber chenille scrubbers on the inside. You can put in sneakers, whatever shoe you want, toss them in there, and you'll see, obviously in my video, they are filthy. These are my son's shoes. They are so dirty. They come out looking brand new, and all I had to do was put the shoe in there, toss it in the washing machine with a little detergent, and that was it. It did the rest. The chenille helps scrub and clean them, and then you take them out, air dry them, or there's like a dryer bag that I love that I will link as well. You can put on your dryer door to dry them, and they're not tumbling around in your dryer. So if you need a good way to clean shoes, these look weird, but they work so well. And while we're talking microfiber and shoes, these microfiber slippers, these come several to a pack, and I absolutely love wearing these around the house just on cleaning days because they sort of dust and clean your floors as you're walking around, and they're really good if you are mopping. There's nothing worse than mopping and then you're walking with bare feet and leaving footprints on your wet floors. So with this, you can still walk along and the microfiber doesn't, allows your footprint to not leave, but then it also helps sort of clean in the process. So they serve more than one purpose. And in most cases, you can take one of these and stretch it over a Swiffer, and now you have a reusable Swiffer duster. Number six is this pink Himalayan salt rock that you can use in the shower or the bathtub. I use it in the tub and I hang it on the faucet. And as the tub is filling, the water is running over the rock and taking along with it the trace minerals. There's like 84 plus trace minerals in this, and it brings it into the water, and then it has benefits for our skin. I know it's supposed to help soften our skin as well. It is pure, no fragrance. Just pink Himalayan salt has a lot of benefits for us. And so this is an easy way to incorporate it into your bath, and then it does dissolve a little bit with every use. Now, if you don't want to hang it on the faucet, you can just toss it into the tub. I will say it will dissolve a lot faster if you let it sit in the tub a while and it soaks. So either way, but you might go through it a little faster if it soaks in the tub. But you could also hang this from a shower head and let the water, hit it as it comes off and showers on you. So it looks weird, but has some good benefits for our skin and body too. And then speaking of the shower, number 7 are these spoolies that are made to clean out the little nozzles of your shower head if they get clogged. Now, a natural method that you can do other than this is to soak the shower head in vinegar if there's buildup, from hard water or whatever, and that does work well. But if you don't want to mess with all of that, these are so quick and easy. You literally they're skinny enough, you just insert them inside of each little nozzle, clean it out real good, and then I think you'll find that the water flows out of it better. Number 8, I've also shared before, this is my favorite way to clean a ceiling fan, but at first glance it looks a little weird, but this is a ceiling fan duster, and it is perfect because it slides over each blade, cleaning the top and the bottom at the exact same time. The dirt gets trapped inside, it's not all falling to the ground, and then you can just rinse it off or shake it off outside. And it's not just for ceiling fans, you can easily take this clean your baseboards, the corners of like your doors and windows, and trim. So very multi-use. I absolutely love this product. Okay, number 9 is not totally needed, but I think it is so fun. It would also be a really good gift for somebody at the holidays. These are wine toppers, but they are lights, they're rechargeable, and it just looks so pretty. It's just a nice little way to turn your bottle of wine that's sitting on the counter into a little bit of decor or add some ambience with some lighting. I will link a couple of my favorites below, but they are so pretty. Number 10 is this Plumping Lip Stain. So this is a little weird looking because when you first put it on, it goes on gold, but you wipe it off and it leaves behind a nice red tint to your lips. And then I like to top it with my favorite lip gloss. So I am not somebody that wears lipstick, but sometimes you want like a little color to your lips, or maybe you don't want to have to keep reapplying lipstick. This is a great solution. It lasts several hours throughout the day and does supposedly have like a little plumping effect. I don't know that I really noticed that. I just like the lip stain that it gives. Number 11 is a hair mascara, which sounds a little weird, but this is perfect for flyaways or if you have those wiry gray hairs at the top of your head and you just need to sort of tame them down. This is perfect. It goes on clear. It doesn't make your hair all goopy or anything. You don't need much, and it will just help flatten and tame those flyaways. So a must in the makeup caddy. Number 12 is a recent purchase that I am absolutely loving. These are silver infused sheets, and the silver actually helps keep them cleaner longer, so you don't have to change them as often. So they are said to stay clean 3 times longer than regular sheets because of this silver technology. They also are temperature controlled, so if you are a hot sleeper, they're great. They are soft, they come in several colors, and it's supposed to be more gentle on your skin and hair. So far, I've absolutely loved them. They are great quality, and anything that allows me to have to change the sheets less often, I am all for. Okay, number 13, I'm going to spare you the video on because it is disgusting, but it is a tongue scraper. So we're supposed to be incorporating this into our oral hygiene routine for better oral hygiene and to help with bad breath and all of that, because a lot of gunk just collects on our tongues. So this way we can scrape it off. It removes more, I think, than what toothbrushing does. So what I do every morning, I get up, use this first. I don't even look at my own, like what comes off, because it's disgusting, but satisfying that that's no longer in your mouth. And then I do that, rinse off the thing. It's stainless steel, put it back in its carrier, and then I brush my teeth. And I do feel like it has really helped just sort of freshen up my mouth some. It's a good, easy step in our toothbrushing routine. So if you have not incorporated a tongue scraper yet, I would try it. I think you're gonna really like it. Number 14 are these oil blotting sheets for anybody like me who gets oily midday. So I might be showing my age here, but who remembers Clean and Clear came out with something like this years ago, like when I was in high school. They were blue oil blotting sheets. Maybe they still make them. And you would just blot them on your face to, get rid of the excess oil, maybe midday. So this is the same idea, although these are black. However, these are infused with powder. So you're also gonna get a little powder and be able to mattify your skin in the process of removing the excess oil. And the pack comes like with several already, and then it comes with 2 refill packs. So you are good to go for a while. I keep this in my purse at all times. It is a lifesaver whenever I look in the mirror midday and I'm all oily. This is such a great solution. And speaking of makeup, number 15, this makeup face cover, I have shared this before. So if you are somebody who likes to put on makeup and then get dressed, and you don't want to deal with like trying to put your hair over to keep the makeup from transferring to your clothes, or putting a towel over your head, this is just a simple solution. You put this over your head and then you can pull tops on or off and not get makeup on them, which is the worst. And makeup is super hard to remove a lot of times from clothing. So Is it totally necessary? Maybe not, but if you hate struggling with the makeup on your clothes and you don't want to get dressed first, this is a good option. All right, and that does it. Just 15 kind of weird finds that I love and find useful. Again, everything is linked in the description below. I'll pin them to the comments or they're at the QR code on the screen. Hit the subscribe button for even more fun, useful, unique finds, and I will see you in my next video.